What is going on, everybody? It is the Redneck Cook wanting to wish you all a very happy new year. We all have got things going on for this new year. Everybody's going to be doing something different. Somebody's going to be doing ham, pulled pork, briskets, all that kind of fun stuff. All right. Hopefully you've already seen the brisket one. That would be good for this year too. Or a ham. We're going to do ham here. But there's something that there's not everybody just talks about, and that's going to be side dishes. So what are we going to do for sides? Well, I'm going to show y'all how to make the best black-eyed peas. So sit back and watch this. Okay, what we got going on right now is we got our peas ready. We got about this much water above where the peas are already in here. Pretty much what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get this water boiling. We're going to get it real good and angry before we put seasonings and stuff in it. Pretty much how this is going to run is we're going to get that water boiling real good, and then we're going to put our salt and seasonings and stuff in there. So pretty much this is what we're going to be using, okay? We've got about three tablespoons coarse salt, a tablespoon of black pepper. We got 7 chicken broth cubes. We got about a teaspoon of cayenne down in the bottom. We're going to be using a couple tablespoons of minced garlic, and also I got ham fat. Okay, the ham fat came back from Thanksgiving. Okay, we cooked ham and all that kind of fun stuff back during then. All that's going to go in after the water gets to boiling. So let's just sit back and wait for it to start getting boiled. Okay, we now have our water boiling. So let's go ahead and get our culprits going. Here, all the fun seasons we discussed earlier. I'm gonna add about that much vampire repellent. And then we're going to also get us a couple good chunks of that ham fat in there as well. Let it all get back up boiling. And before I forget, we're also going to have 1 onion. And we're just going to set him off in there as well. I know what you're thinking. He's so little. Yep. But we're not going to be eating him either. He's going to be purely for flavor. And then last but not least, since everybody is boiling again real nice, let's go ahead and get us a wood spoon out just for a second. Let's get him stirred up real nice. Salt, pepper, garlic, onion, and a little bit of heat from that black pepper and cayenne. That is all that we're going to need. We're going to cut this bad boy down on low and cover him. And that's going to be it for a couple hours. So we're just going to sit back and chill out. And probably in about 2 hours, we're going to come give them a taste. Okay, pretty much I'm fixing to have to go ahead and add a cup of water to this. I know it's going to mess with my broth a little bit, but I got kinfolks coming in tomorrow. My mother-in-law and my father-in-law coming in, and my mother-in-law don't do heat. She really don't, bless her heart. She can take hot water and darn sweat. I'm telling you right now, she can't do pepper or nothing like that. So I had to adjust it just a little bit. That way I don't burn her slap darn up. That'll work. That'll work. All right, everybody. It has been 2 hours. So went on ahead and got me a little bit in a bowl right here. Got me a little bit of that pot. Look at that juice up in there too. Let's go ahead and take us a quick taste test of it. There you go. That heat's gonna be in there real good. I ain't gonna lie about it. It's gonna warm you up just a little bit. Really nice. Well, there you have it. I'm gonna sit here and I'm gonna finish this. I'm gonna turn that off. He's pretty much gonna cool down for tonight. Go in the refrigerator, warm back up tomorrow. He's gonna be even better. Come by them. So, Happy New Year's. Don't forget, don't drink and drive. Be safe. Get back home so we can eat. Peace.